What is this thing? It's like a floaty. You can get across there. When I was a kid, Tomorrowland was my favorite part of the Magic Kingdom. And I guess it still is. What, baby love? Yeah, that's probably where we're gonna get some food. Hey baby, having fun?
Pretty hot.
Pretty. Let me see that hot face, like it's hot, like you're disgusted. Yeah, perfect.
I need a ice cold Coca-Cola.
Yes, Coca-Cola Classic. That's what we're about in this place. No Pepsi here. Go home, Pepsi. Alright guys, so we're on a little bit of a budget, so we're splitting hot dogs. The meal is like what, $9, so it's like $4 each. Mainly because we want to save up some money for Epcot. That's where we want to spend all of our money on food and drinks. So, cheers babe. What ride are we about to get on?
Harry Potter and the...
No, Harry Potter and the Space Mission. Harry Potter and the Mountain of Space.
Something like that.
We're about to go? You ready, baby?
Yeah.
It's raining.
I'm ready.
Requirement may not ride. Ensure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
All right, tour will take it over.
Passengers, Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sunny drops, and stops. For a safe space flight, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness.
I have all those problems.
Well,
Still getting on.
worth it.
Mothers should not ride, and passengers may not ride. Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember,
If I die on Space Mountain, they'd be like,
wheelchairs
go to heaven.
must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Right.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is
Everyone's like focused. I feel like this is always the quietest ride. Like, we're dying.
Hey, remember that one time we met, well, we didn't really meet Vince Vaughn, but we rode right behind him.
But that was at Disneyland.
Yeah, but still. Do you remember? That was a great moment.
It was. Look at what? They were like, we're 90s here.
Alright, got it.
I'm actually right.
See you later, guys.
You know what this makes me miss? Ghost Galaxy. Oh, you never been on Ghost Galaxy, huh? Look how cool my shoes look. Woo, woo, woo. Oh yeah. Hey babe, I can see her back. I love you. Excited? Ah yeah. I like your dance maneuvers. You have a very beautiful neck. Whoa. Ah. Ah. Oh yeah.
Keep your hands off the handle or inside the vehicle and remain seated while it's loaded.
Nice. That was awesome.
Docking crew, stand by to initiate unload procedure.
Woohoo! Did you have fun, babe? You liked it? Huh? You know what? It didn't hurt me this time. Last time I did. Maybe it's certain seats. So last time we got on here, like I hurt my back, so. But not this time. But you look so cute. You look cute. I'm sorry, bud. Cool guys. I look fat. I am fat. That was fun. Now somebody has to go get our daughter. Not it.
All right, I guess.
Sit on the moving handrail.
Walking through the lazy. Bring me a drink, Mr. Robot. Man, darn. So we both decided to come back together.
I have a really bad sense of direction.
Yeah, I don't want her to get lost. Plus, I want to make it back in time so we can meet Mickey. As a team. Somebody's mom jacked one pair of my shoes.
Yeah, she likes the big shoes.
She loves. We were the same size, so and they were brand new. You look so pretty, babe. My mustache is falling apart now.
I don't feel my nap is like I don't want you to feel bad.
I know you're. It's gonna be very intimidating. Let me see.
It's very full.
Like my eyebrows.